Have you ever felt like you were being scammed, but couldn't quite put your finger on it? Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most popular ways scammers are targeting people, Zelle. You might be wondering, how can someone use a seemingly legit app to scam me? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore. Understanding Zelle, let's start by understanding what Zelle actually is. It's a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send money directly to someone's bank account using just their phone number or email address. It's a convenient way to split bills, pay back friends, or even buy and sell items online. But with convenience comes risk. Common scamming tactics. So, how do scammers use Zelle to their advantage? Here are some common tactics. The emergency scam. You will receive a panic message from a friend or family member claiming to be in a dire situation, like being stranded in a foreign country or needing urgent medical care. They'll ask you to send money through Zelle as quickly as possible. The romance scam. You'll meet someone online who seems perfect for you. After building a relationship, they'll start making requests for money, often claiming to be in financial hardship or needing to travel to see you. The job offer scam. You'll receive a job offer that seems too good to be true. The company will ask you to pay a fee up front for things like background checks or equipment. The fake invoice scam. You'll receive a fake invoice from a company you do business with, requesting immediate payment through Zelle. Red flags to watch out for. Now that we know some common tactics, how can we spot a scam before it's too late? Here are some red flags to watch out for. Urgency. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to pressure you into making quick decisions. Unfamiliar requests. If someone you know is asking for money in a way that's unusual for them, be cautious. Lack of detail. Scammers often avoid giving specific details about their situation or the reason for needing money. Pressure to use Zelle. If someone insists on using Zelle, especially over other payment methods, it could be a red flag. Unreasonable requests. If the request for money seems excessive or doesn't make sense, it might be a scam. Protecting yourself. So, what can you do to protect yourself from Zelle scams? Here are some tips. Verify information. Always verify the identity of the person requesting money, even if they claim to be a friend or family member. Use secure communication. Avoid making financial decisions based on messages sent through social media or email. Instead, communicate directly with the person through a trusted channel. Research the person or company. If you're dealing with someone you don't know well, do some research to see if there are any red flags. Be cautious of urgent requests. If someone is pressuring you to send money immediately, be cautious and take some time to think it over. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't be afraid to say no or ask for more information. Additional tips. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your Zelle account. Review your account regularly. Check your account activity regularly for any unauthorized transactions. Report scams. If you've been scammed, report it to Zelle and the appropriate authorities. So, there you have it. While Zelle can be a convenient way to send money, it's important to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect yourself. By understanding common scams and knowing what to look out for, you can help prevent becoming a victim. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.